One sunny morning, a tiny ant was walking along a garden path searching for food. She worked hard every day, carrying little crumbs back to her home. Suddenly, she stopped in surprise. Right in front of her was a giant sugar cube sparkling in the sunlight. Her eyes grew wide with excitement. "This will feed my family for days," she said happily. She pushed the sugar cube with all her strength. She pulled, tugged, and tried again and again, but it didn't move. The ant felt tired and a little sad. The sugar cube was just too heavy to carry alone. Then she had an idea. She ran back home and called her friends for help. Soon a long line of ants marched together toward the sugar cube. They lifted, pushed, and pulled as a team. Slowly but surely the sugar cube began to move. Together they carried it all the way home, laughing and cheering. That day the little ant learned something very important. Moral: teamwork makes hard work easy. Tiny Life Lesson Hub. Like, share, and subscribe.